The Jungle Run. Here comes the animal one by one. Here comes the animal one by one, all gathering and all getting ready for the jungle run, and all getting ready for the jungle run. Cup turns up to take her place. Cup turns up to take her place. But the others say you are too small to race. You are too small to race. Bear makes a quack to start the fun, and off the tea go on the jungle run. 4 little cups cry, 4 little cups cry, 4 little cups cry. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Bird cup is small too, so the others don't see, unable to see. They come to the clearing with the big wine net. They have to go under the cat. Yahoo! They have to swing the stream by a creeper rope. They have to swing a stream by a creeper rope. The creeper is strong, or so they hope. The animal's father is scary, ick, but crab swings easily what a cheek. So elephant trumpets and makes a dash. He misses the rope. Oh, splash! Poor old elephant gives a groan as the other all urge him as a strapping stone. See the poor elephant, बेचारा ये तो कुचला जा रहा है और अब इसको गुस्सा भी आ रहा है. सी आइज ई. Alas, they're coming to find and the run. This is the part that looks most fun. They have to grab a mat at the top of the slide and surf to the bottom. Wow, what a ride! Check their ride. Wow. And now they are looking so funny. Oh no, they are dropping. They are going to crash. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait. And the other one is God, splash. And the alligator. They all landed safely right in the lake. There at the finish, there'll be juice and cake. Finish. But where's the crab? Oh dear. Where? Where's the crab? Cub. Look, she's won and she's over here. She grins and waves as she sings this song. Let's sing together. Hi, what took you all so long? You said at the start I was much too small. But see, I'm not. Because I beat you all. The race is over and Cub has won. But they all joined in and they all had fun. How was the story?